Okay, we're gonna make something I invented called the BLT. I mashed together 3 of my favorite things: green salad, caprese salad, and a BLT. So instead of bacon, lettuce, and tomato, it's burrata, lettuce, and tomato. We're gonna start by slicing shallots. Definitely a great summer salad. You wanna try to use super ripe, in-season tomatoes. Here's what you do. You take your large heirloom variety like this, make sure it's super ripe, and I can feel that these are. I like to mix up the tomatoes if I can, a little yellow, a little red, and I'm cutting them super thick. And we're gonna season one at a time. We're gonna make sure each piece of this tomato is seasoned with salt, pepper, olive oil, all the ingredients. I like to put the shallots right on top of each tomato slice. This would obviously be a replacement for onions in this salad. Shallots are a little more mild. You probably see them in the store and wonder what to do with them. Basically, anywhere you'd use onion, green onion even, red onion, you can use shallots. And now we're gonna top it with red wine vinegar. Literally season each piece of tomato so there's no mistaking that every bite of tomato has delicious flavor. Olive oil, and again, you can turn all these ingredients into a vinaigrette. If you wanted to, you could just throw that into a blender. All right, we're gonna start to build the salad like this. And you can already see that this salad is freaking delicious. Look at it. I mean, look at these tomatoes and the vinegar and the oil, and you know how that's gonna taste. Next, we cut the burrata in half. This is a piece of fresh burrata, which is mozzarella and cream, which are absolutely phenomenally delicious with tomatoes, of course, and basil. For the salad part of this, we're gonna mix together one of my favorite herbs, lots of basil. I got about 10, 12 pieces of basil in here. This is baby gem, which I happen to like a lot. We're gonna season this with salt, pepper, olive oil, I already did, red wine vinegar. This is the dressing part of this. And notice I'm tossing the basil in with the salad because basil should be seasoned too. You know, basil is essentially like a green leafy herb that requires seasoning just like lettuce. Taste. If you watch me cook and other pro chefs cook, you'll notice that we taste our food a lot. It needs vinegar, it needs salt. All right, toss, toss, toss. You just pile that on, nice and high. To finish it, we're gonna top it with aged balsamic vinegar. You guys have heard of balsamic vinegar. It comes from Modena in Italy. It's a vinegar that's aged in a Solera system, ends up being nice and syrupy, has a lot of really distinct flavor, and will absolutely solidify the caprese element, which is the tomato, cheese, basil. Let's taste. I know you're thinking, but where's the bacon? That's my favorite part of the BLT. You know what? If you put a bunch of bacon on here right now, it'd be really good. Okay, a little bit of the burrata. The burrata does so much to carry this dish over the finish line. This for me is simple, elegant, go-to 5-night-a-week salad all summer long. Try it yourself.